Welcome back. Today, I'm giving you something more valuable than money knowledge that could save your life. In a world that's unpredictable, being prepared is for everyone, not just preppers. I've found 8 essential survival items that are super cheap right now, but that won't last. When disaster strikes, prices skyrocket and supplies vanish. I'll walk you through each item, why you need it, and how little it costs today. Stick around. Number 8 is the most overlooked, but maybe the most important. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the water filtration straw, a true survival game changer that's revolutionizing how people access clean water in emergencies and outdoor adventures. This little device might look simple, but it's packed with life-saving technology. Clean water is absolutely non-negotiable for survival. In fact, you can only survive about 3 days without water, making it even more critical than food in a crisis. Whether you're hiking, camping, or facing a natural disaster, having access to safe drinking water is essential for your health and well-being. Imagine a situation where your tap suddenly stops working, maybe due to a power outage, a broken water main, or a natural disaster. You might be forced to rely on rivers, lakes, or even muddy puddles, but these natural sources can be full of dangerous bacteria, parasites, and other contaminants. That's where this straw comes in. It's designed to filter out 99.9999% of bacteria and protozoa, including harmful organisms like E. coli and Giardia. All you have to do is dip the straw into any water source and drink. No waiting, no complicated setup. There are no batteries to charge, no moving parts to break, and no chemicals to add. It's instant, safe water anytime and anywhere you need it. Just sip and go. Right now, these straws cost less than a fancy coffee at your favorite cafe, yet they can filter thousands of gallons of water over their lifetime. That's an incredible value for something that could literally save your life. Boiling water takes precious time and fuel, which you might not have in an emergency. Purification tablets can leave your water tasting strange and often take a long time to work. The straw, on the other hand, is immediate and leaves no aftertaste. It's also incredibly lightweight and compact, so small you can slip it into any backpack, emergency kit, or even your pocket. It's the ultimate grab-and-go solution for clean water. If you're preparing for emergencies, this is the one item you should buy for every member of your family. It's affordable, reliable, and could make all the difference when clean water is scarce. When disaster strikes and clean water becomes priceless, you'll be glad you planned ahead. These straws can turn even the dirtiest water into a safe, drinkable resource. Don't wait until it's too late. Secure your clean water supply now and give yourself peace of mind, no matter what the future holds. Number 2 is the emergency Mylar blanket, your personal heat shield. Hypothermia can strike fast, even if it's not freezing. These NASA-developed blankets trap up to 90% of your body heat, keeping you warm and dry. They're waterproof, windproof, and fold down to the size of a deck of cards. Dirt cheap, ultra-light, and multi-purpose. Use as a blanket, shelter, or emergency signal. You can stash them everywhere. Car, bag, desk. When disaster hits, these will disappear from shelves. For pennies, you get life-saving warmth and protection. Stock up now while they're still available. Number 3. Portable solar charger. Imagine having the ability to generate your own electricity anywhere, anytime, just by harnessing the power of the sun. Portable solar chargers are a game changer for anyone who values preparedness, adventure, or simply wants to cut down on reliance on the grid. When the grid goes down, your phone, flashlight, and radio are useless unless you have solar power. In emergencies, communication and access to information are critical, but most devices run out of battery quickly. Without a backup, you're left in the dark, disconnected from loved ones and vital updates. These foldable panels give you unlimited free energy as long as there's sunlight. Just unfold them, point them toward the sun, and let them work their magic. No fuel, no noise, no ongoing costs, just clean, renewable energy at your fingertips, wherever you are. Charge your phone, power bank, or batteries anywhere. Whether you're camping in the wilderness, traveling off-grid, or facing a power outage at home, a portable solar charger keeps your essential devices powered up and ready to use. Today's models are compact, efficient, and affordable. They fit easily in your backpack or emergency kit, and advances in technology mean they charge faster and work even in less than ideal sunlight. Compared to older, bulky panels, modern chargers are lightweight and user-friendly. In a blackout, everyone will scramble for these. Prices will soar. When disaster strikes, demand skyrockets and shelves empty fast. Don't wait until it's too late and you're left searching for a charger when everyone else is doing the same. Secure one now, test it, and pair it with a power bank for 24/7 energy. Make sure you know how it works before you need it. By combining a solar charger with a reliable power bank, you can store energy during the day and use it anytime, even at night or during cloudy weather. It's your lifeline for communication, navigation, and safety. Stay in touch with family, access maps and emergency broadcasts, and keep your devices running when you need them most. In survival situations, staying connected can make all the difference. Don't wait for a crisis to realize you need one. Take action now before shortages and price hikes hit. Being proactive means you'll have peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for whatever comes your way. Invest in your own power source today. A portable solar charger is more than just a gadget. It's an investment in your independence, safety, and resilience. Make the smart choice and harness the unlimited free power of the sun. Number 4, the multi-tool. It's a toolbox in your pocket. Pliers, knife, saw, screwdrivers, can opener, and more. In a crisis, fixing, building, and improvising are critical. High-end models are nice, but budget options today are tough and reliable. Prices will rise when demand spikes, so get one now. Learn its features and keep it handy. You'll use it more than you think. A multi-tool empowers you to solve problems, not just survive. Don't underestimate its value. Grab one while they're cheap. Number 5, a first aid kit. Injuries are more likely in a crisis, and you're your own first responder. A well-stocked kit handles cuts, burns, sprains, and infection prevention. Pre-made kits are affordable, compact, and comprehensive. When disaster hits, medical supplies vanish instantly. Buy a kit now, learn what's inside, and maybe take a basic first aid course. Don't wait until you need it. Be ready to treat common injuries. It's a small investment for huge peace of mind. Your health is non-negotiable. Prepare now. Number 6, the LED flashlight. It might sound simple, but this tool is a true game changer when the world goes dark. Imagine being caught in a sudden blackout, or finding yourself outdoors at night with no streetlights in sight. In those moments, a reliable flashlight isn't just a convenience, it's a lifeline. When the lights go out, darkness is dangerous. It's easy to trip, lose your way, or even panic. A powerful flashlight instantly cuts through the blackness, giving you the confidence to move safely and see what's ahead. Modern LED flashlights are bright, efficient, and tough, often water and shock resistant. Unlike old-school flashlights, LEDs can survive drops, rain, and even accidental submersion. Their beams are far stronger and last much longer, making them perfect for emergencies. They run for hours on a single set of batteries and have multiple modes for every situation: high for searching, low for reading, and even red light to preserve night vision. Some models can even be recharged via USB, making them even more versatile. Prices are low now, but in a blackout, flashlights and batteries are the first to sell out. When disaster strikes, shelves empty fast, and you don't want to be the one left scrambling in the dark. Don't rely on your phone's weak light or risk draining its battery when you need it most. Get a dedicated flashlight and always keep extra batteries on hand. Your phone is for communication. Your flashlight is for illumination. Some models even have strobe or self-defense features, making them useful for signaling in emergencies or deterring threats. A tactical flashlight can be a powerful tool for personal safety. Buy a few, stash them around your home, car, and even your backpack. You never know when or where you'll need one, and having them within reach can make all the difference. Light is safety, comfort, and control. It brings people together, calms fears, and helps you take charge of any situation, whether you're at home or on the road. Don't be left in the dark. Prepare now, and let your future be as bright as your flashlight. Number 7. A reliable fire starter. Fire means warmth, light, cooked food, and morale. Lighters and matches fail when wet or empty. A ferro rod works in any condition. It throws hot sparks, igniting tinder even when damp. One rod lasts for thousands of fires and costs just a few bucks. Practice using it now. Don't wait for an emergency. Add one to every kit, car, and bag. When others struggle with wet matches, you'll have fire on demand. Fire is survival. Make sure you can create it anytime. Number 8. Canned food. Food is fuel, and canned goods last for years without refrigeration. They're tough, stackable, and protect against pests and moisture. Stock up on proteins, veggies, fruits, and soups. Variety matters. Buy a few extra cans each grocery trip and rotate your supply. When shelves empty in a crisis, you'll have weeks of meals at home. No panic, no chaos, just security. Canned food is cheap now, but will be priceless in an emergency. Build your stockpile slowly and smartly. Don't overlook this simple, life-saving prep. 8 essential survival items, starting with a water filter Mylar blanket and a solar charger multi-tool and first aid kit, LED flashlight, fire starter, and canned food. The cost is low today, but the value in a crisis is truly priceless. Don't wait for disaster. Prepare now while supplies are cheap and available. Be ready, stay calm, and protect your loved ones. Like, subscribe, and share this video to help others get prepared. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and happy prepping always.